Hi, today's video is on how to sew a buttonhole using your one-step buttonhole maker, and that is this right here. Ah, my button fell out, but this, you slip your button in here, whatever the size, and it will make the button. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, put my button in the top. Always test it out on a scrap piece of fabric first so that you don't mess up what you have created. I'm talking to myself here. Okay, so that button is in there now. Let me see. Yep, it's in. I want to go ahead and take off my other foot. Drop that off. Set that in my windowsill. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on. This is the front, and when you put this on, the button is always in the back, and it sews backwards. So when you mark your fabric, make sure you know that it's going to go backwards. I did not mark my I didn't mark my piece of fabric, but I'm just going to show you. I'll just put one line here. This is the fabric I'm using. And this is just scrap fabric. All right, I'm going to go ahead and select. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if you can see that. I selected 64, and that picture is up here, right there, that buttonhole. All right, let's bring this back. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and line this up underneath here with the hash marks that are inside of the. That's my iron. If you ever get an iron, try not to get one with the automatic shut off, because every time you seem to need it, it stops. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. The most important thing, you have to bring down this lever, this back here. I'm gonna see if I can get it down without getting in camera shot. So you pull it straight down, and then you put it behind that little piece right there, behind. And make sure you push back if you have, there's nothing. All right, now we're ready to go. Let's see. All right, and it is done. Go ahead and cut the threads. And it goes right back to the position of to start the button. And here is your beautiful buttonhole. All you have to do is use a chisel to open it, or you can use your seam ripper. I have one of those buttonhole chisels, and I like to use that. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next upload. Bye.